Hi, it's good to see you again. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. This will be our last video, and so we just wanted to say thank you so much, and we've had a lot of fun working with you. We've noticed a lot of improvements in your writing, so very, very good job. Today what we want to talk about is I want to talk about 3 things that you can do to make your writing better. Just 3 grammatical things. These things might be little, but they're really going to make your writing better. The first thing I want to talk about is the use of the word I. In these short paragraphs, we really should not be seeing I. It's not appropriate to write I think, I feel, I believe. I want you to reference the text instead. So instead of saying, I believe that the Chinese immigrants were treated unfairly, you could say the author states that. And reference the text. The author states that the Chinese immigrants were treated unfairly, and use a quotation. Or you can say it can be inferred that. So reference the text. So in your writing today, just make sure you haven't included the word I. On a separate note though, we have been seeing this I in a lot of your paragraphs, and some of you haven't been capitalizing this. This is always, always capitalized. So in your other classes when you're writing, make sure that you have that I capitalized. The second thing is writing the title of a text. When you write the title of a text, it always goes in quotations. You always write it exactly as it's written on your paper. Example for today, it would be written, The Changing Face of America. What I want you to notice is in the title, The Changing Face in America are all capitalized. Of is not. So even though, in general, when writing, we wouldn't capitalize the word face, it's going to be capitalized in the title. All major words in the title are capitalized. So look at your title today and make sure that you have this written correctly. The last thing I want to talk about is how you include quotations. This is just a review. We taught you this in our very first video. The text states that, quotations, and notice that your period is inside or before your end quotation. Notice that there's no comma here, there's no pause. The text states that the face of America is changing. So today in your writing, make sure you don't have a comma, make sure you have two quotations and a period inside of your quotations. The last example is, the text states, comma. In this instance, you do need a comma because there's a pause. The text states that the face of America is changing. Again, you have 2 quotations, and you make sure that your period is inside or before your end quotation. Those are just 3 things we want you to look at today. The use of the word I, make sure the title of your text is written correctly, and make sure that you've quoted that you've put your quotation in your paragraph correctly. So again, thank you so much. We've had a wonderful time. Thank you.